Can you tell us what is exactly Orgzit?
So Orgzit is the name of my business and also the name of my product. As a business, we've been running Orgzit for over 9 years now, and it's a boutique software solutions business for SMBs. Our objective with Orgzit is to help SMBs streamline their day-to-day activities and set up systems in their day-to-day way of working, and so that the business owners and the management teams can spend their time and energy on more strategic growth initiatives rather than being tied up with just day-to-day run-of-the-mill kind of activities.
Great to know that. What are some benefits that businesses get after using Orgzit?
So our customers use Orgzit in various different ways. So thanks to our no-code architecture, we are able to cater to multiple use cases like CRM and also quotations and lead management and order management, sales commission tracking, and also some of the ERP kind of use cases like the inventory management and the order fulfillment process and the material procurement processes and things like that. So the benefits that our customers get after working with us is that they're able to streamline their day-to-day activities, whether it's in the sales teams or whether it's in the operations teams or whether it's in the accounting team. So for example, some of these activities are like, let's say you're a B2B business, and in the B2B business you get leads. Your sales team will work on those leads, and then you get an order. The sales team gives a quotation, then you get an order, and then the order is fulfilled. So this entire workflow, this is called the lead to cash workflow. So starting from a lead to quotation to order to delivery to getting paid for it, all this can be tracked and managed in the software solution. So every person who works on the lead to cash workflow, whether it's closing a lead or following up in a lead, or whether it's creating a quotation, or whether it's the operation team that's involved in fulfilling the order or delivering the order, or whether it's the service team that is responsible for taking the feedback on the order, all this information and all this activities can be tracked in the software. So there is one place where all the teams working can work on one set of data, and as a business owner you have full visibility into what is the stage of each and every lead in the system, what is the stage and status of each and every order in the system, what is the feedbacks that you're getting. And so the benefits are, the business owner gets visibility, the team is able to work on real time data in a centralized way, the teams are able to improve the collaboration with each other, because there is no exchanging of emails or phone calls. All the data is there in the system. So before our customers work with us, most of the time they are working on a lot of spreadsheets and a lot of email communication or WhatsApp communication within the team. And there is, this is what my customers tell me when I talk to them, that it's very chaotic and it's very disorganized. So there is a lot of information in the business, but it's so much scattered in different sheets. There's, sometimes it is in the emails, that it's so hard to find the right information. Because the information is scattered, the business owner cannot get the reports that they need. When they need a report, let's say the business owner needs a report of, what is the number of leads I got in the last quarter, what was my conversion rate, they have to go to the sales manager, and the sales manager will say, okay, I'll give this report to you tomorrow. Or when they need some accounting report, like what was the total sales last month and what was the sales breakup by product, they have to, they don't have access to that data. So the data is there, but it's not easily accessible, because and it's not actionable. And in general there is a lot of clutter of spreadsheets and emails, and because of all this, things are getting missed. So for example, the sales team might be missing out on following up on leads on the right time, because let's say you got a lead on the 2nd of April, and now you need to follow up on the lead on the 4th of April. If you're using spreadsheets for tracking this, if you say that, okay, follow up on this lead on 4th of April at 11 a.m. Spreadsheets will not give you an alert or a notification, whereas Orgzit will give the alert and notification, and then the that just gives the nudge to the salesperson to follow up. Same thing with the orders. A lot of the time, orders and deliveries are getting delayed, and oftentimes this leads to customer escalations, because once the customer has given you an order, they are very keen on getting it at the quickly. But because maybe the salesperson promised that, okay, Mr. Customer, I'll deliver this to you by 10th of April, but this was not informed to the production team, and the production team is just working on a schedule that will deliver the order on 15th of April. So these kind of miscommunications they go away because of better collaboration, and because all of the data being in one place, accessible to all the different teams involved in serving the customer.
Great, great, great. So, what is your engagement model with your customers?
When we start working with a customer, we recommend to them, and we always prefer to do a pilot. This pilot is typically a 1 or 2 month engagement. You can say that the objective of this pilot is like, when somebody gets married. Before married, they do dating, or before somebody gets engaged, they do dating. So this is like a dating period between the customer and us, to see whether we are a good fit for each other. In this pilot, we work closely with the customer to understand their business needs, and we build a pilot application for them, which is almost like a fully working application, and uh, and the customer gets to use us. So the objective is that we get to understand the customer better, get to understand the customer's challenges better, and the customer gets to understand our solution, our way of doing things, our no code architecture better, and to experience it in real time. So the first step is a pilot, and then the pilot typically takes, depending on the size and the complexity of the customer and requirements, it takes 1 or 2 months. And then after this, we go and uh, complete the application development, and then we go live. As part of going live, the most important thing in making a software successful is the user adoption. So any software, even if you take the best software in the world, but if that software is not used by the users, it is useless. It is not going to give the results that you need. So our focus as part of going live is on the user adoption, and we do multiple things in that direction. We do training sessions with the users. We create video based trainings, or video based demo videos, and then we provide support to our users on the WhatsApp group. In a nutshell, we work very closely with our customers, and we work almost like an extended team. Our objective is to get the customer the results, that and help them achieve the objective that they bought the software for. Our objective is not just to give them some software and leave it there. No, we work very closely with them, and we ensure that they get the result, the end objective, the end result that they were looking for.